In a traditional hybrid cloud environment, companies can leverage both public or private clouds, on-premises, and even edge environments, all working together in concert. But in reality, the complexity of building, deploying, and managing applications in multiple cloud environments can ultimately degrade the customer experience. Here's where a distributed cloud offering shines, by fixing what hybrid cloud breaks. Today, I'm excited to cover IBM Cloud Satellite, a new distributed cloud offering from IBM. With Satellite, we're bringing the strengths of IBM Cloud to public and private environments, extending the capabilities that we have on our cloud while allowing you to run an environment of your choice. Essentially, you can use Satellite for a consistent, on-demand, fully managed set of core application services that run across your on-prem, edge, and public cloud environments. The overall theme with Satellite is consistency. Let's start with an example to show exactly how it works. We're going to be zoomed in here, so let's say you have a satellite location. Essentially, this is an edge location, on-prem data center, or any public cloud, where you can run and extend IBM Cloud services. A satellite location is made up of hosts, essentially worker nodes in the form of something like VMs or bare metal. In this example, your satellite location is an on-prem data center in Phoenix, where you're running containers on a Red Hat OpenShift cluster. These application workloads are completely self-contained and are able to serve requests. In environments like these, Red Hat OpenShift enables a consistent developer experience in building and running apps, with faster time to market, scalability, and reliability. Now, we'll zoom out a bit. As an ops engineer who wants to operate these clusters, you'll utilize a control plane hosted on the nearest IBM Cloud data center, in this case, Dallas. From the IBM Cloud dashboard, you can spin up new OpenShift clusters on your Phoenix data center, deploy apps into your clusters, create integrations and services like logging and monitoring, and run day 2 operations tasks on your cluster. Essentially, you're extending the services available on IBM Public Cloud to your data center. But here's the cool part. Your apps are self-contained, so they can run without needing to communicate back to the public cloud data center in Dallas. For your ops teams, on the other hand, they can benefit from consistent operations for these core application services within IBM Public Cloud. You can also set up new satellite locations. Let's say you have an infrastructure provider in Chicago. You can add this as a new satellite location and use the same control plane to spin up additional clusters and then deploy your applications. Simply put, a satellite location is like a mini IBM Cloud region, where you can choose to run IBM Cloud services like OpenShift. But it doesn't end there. We're enabling a host of IBM Cloud services in these locations. This includes IBM Cloud databases, Watson data and AI services, and DevOps tooling. Coming back to our theme, this means consistent consumption of content across environments. What about security and compliance concerns for operational teams that need to access your satellite locations from the IBM Public Cloud? Satellite Link is a component that enables connectivity between these regions, enabling powerful networking capabilities like auditing traffic. In addition, you'll gain a consistent set of security and compliance controls for workloads across all of your environments. Remember, as the control plane connected through Link is for operational tasks, even if the link with IBM Public Cloud was disabled, your services and workloads continued to run on the satellite location. A key part of Link is IBM Cloud Observability, which provides a central operational view for all of your clusters and the services within. This is core to strengthening your SRE, or Site Reliability Engineering, providing a single view for day 2 operations and security auditing. This means consistent operations with reduced fragmented visibility and management complexity. Let's summarize. Distributed cloud allows you to run public cloud services on any compute environment of your choice, on-prem, edge, or public clouds. These are services which were previously only available on public cloud data centers. With Satellite, you get the IBM Cloud Services Catalog, including managed OpenShift, data and AI services, and more, all in an environment of your choice with full SRE operations. This enables you to gain consistency across the board. With IBM Cloud Satellite, you can deploy cloud services anywhere. Thank you. If you have any questions, please drop us a line below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please like and subscribe.